Hi guys, and I'm going to talk to you in this little video about text boxes, how you can write entire paragraphs. Now, I've already created a label in this project to put the text box under. So I'm going to put the text box under the label now. So I'm going to place a text, that's what it is, and I got to give two parameters. I think it's the width first. So call that about uh, 30 letters wide, and the height, call it about 8. And the name of the text box, I forgot to write that in, will be the paragraph text. And now we can put in the paragraph text right over here. Probably should have made a bigger one, but okay. So sometimes you just get these things wrong, right? So let's say, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say paragraph text dot undraw and make a different one. Parentheses, because it's a command, and there it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to make, we'll place a text that's, make it 80, comma 8. And I'm going to call that the paragraph text 2. Don't use the same name. And I'm going to put that right over here. And now that's much nicer. Okay. So I can type up to 8 lines and 80 across. Now, if I edit clicks here, you'll see that there's no clicks, nothing in the click to do. But I want it to start out as blank, so I'm going to say paragraph text 2 dot set text to be nothing. And here it changed the click, so now it will always start out as blank. Now the main thing going on here is, stop that. Okay, back. Is that if I want something, I have to use something like a button to make it do something. So I'm going to place a button. And it's going to do, and this button is going to count the words. Okay, count. I'm going to call it count words. And this is going to be the count button. I'm going to put that below. And I'm going to put that, line that up right over here. And then I'm going to create a label. Okay. It's going to say 0 words. And it's going to be the count label. We'll put that down here. Now, if I Now that I have a button, I have something that happens. Okay, so now, so what happens when I click? Well, I want to count the words. Now, what happens is, and I want to show you this because I think it's cool, is I wanted to find out how to break a string, like the string in the paragraph, up into words in Python. So I wrote Python separating words in a string, and I Googled it. And it turns out you want to say split. So now I know that I want to say, oops, wrong thing. Let's go back here. Paragraph text 2 dot get text dot split. Okay, so I'm gonna say that number words. Let's go get paragraph x2 dot split, and I'm gonna put the len of that in here. And then I'm gonna say that okay, the count label will, I don't say it gets, but I say it sets the text to be the str of number words, because it's got to be a string plus space words. And that's all there is to it. So let's see if I got this right now. So I can type this is that for sure Python. Okay, and so now if I click count words, theoretically, it tells me there's 17 words. Let's see if it got right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 17 words. And I think I will stop here.